Question number 1. Barye is a traditional folk song belonging to which of the following Indian states? Correct answer is option B, Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 2. Which shortcut key is used to open an existing file in most computer applications? Correct answer is option C, Control plus O. Question number 3. What is the name of the official mascot of the 9th Asian Winter Games held in Harbin in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Bin Bin and Nini. Question number 4. Where was the 1931 Indian National Congress session held? Correct answer is option C, Karachi. Question number 5. According to Abul Fazl's accounts, which major system was introduced by Akbar to streamline trade and commerce and bring economic stability to the Mughal Empire? Correct answer is option A, the Sala system. Question number 6. Article 13 of the Indian Constitution is mainly related to which of the following? Correct answer is option B, judicial review and laws inconsistent with fundamental rights. Question number 7. Which national census of India was the 2011 census? Correct answer is option C, 15th. Question number 8. Who is the current Prime Minister of Canada? Correct answer is option A, Mark Carney. Question number 9. Where is the famous active volcano Mount Etna located? Correct answer is option B, Italy. Question number 10. What is the main cause of winter rainfall in the northwestern part of India? Correct answer is option B, western disturbances. Question number 11. What is the primary use of a supercomputer? Correct answer is option B, for complex scientific simulations and data processing. Question number 12. The famous Sun Temple of Konark is dedicated to which deity? Correct answer is option C, Lord Surya. Question number 13. What function does system software perform that application software cannot? Correct answer is option B. It directly manages computer hardware resources and provides a platform for other programs. Question number 14. Who acts as the first appellate authority under the Right to Information Act 2005? Correct answer is option B, an officer senior in rank to the public information officer in the same public authority. Question number 15. The medulla oblongata controls which type of actions? Correct answer is option D, involuntary actions. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.